Hi there, it's Chris Hamilton here with Enter My Invoice and bookkeepingautomation.com, and today I'm going to show you how to follow up with new LinkedIn connections. And this is something that 99% of LinkedIn users don't do, and it's a great means for generating new sales opportunities for yourself. So before we get started, just want to let you know that you can access weekly sales and marketing tips for bookkeepers and accountants. What do you got to do to get that is just basically go to bit.ly/BA_tips_tricks, or what you can do is you can text SalesTips to 44222 in the US, or SalesTips to 1-855-969-5300 in Canada. And you'll be asked for your email address, and then all you have to do is just type that in, and then you'll start receiving weekly tips and tricks that will help you grow your business. So one of the first things that you have to do in order to follow up with people is in LinkedIn, go to My Network, which is up across the top bar. So you see it up here. Then what you do is you click on your connections here or here. It doesn't matter. Either one will take you to the same place. Then what happens is it's going to bring you to a page and show you all your LinkedIn connections. What you want to do is you want to sort them by the most recently added. So it'll start at your most recent one and work its way down. And what you do then is here, when you are in this section, you see where it says message here. What you do is you click message, and it brings up a message. And this is something that you send to these people. I do it on a weekly basis, and the reason why I do that is because it just it's ingrained in what I do, and it's in my calendar. But I send them a message every week to touch base with them. And here's what the message is, and you can steal this from me if you'd like. I usually put their first name in, and I say, "Thanks for connecting. I only have one question for you. What can I do to help you out? If there's anything you're struggling with, please let me know, and I will see if I can help you out or know someone who could. Have a great day, Chris." Now, the PS is important. So I say, PS, I stay in contact periodically. I don't like to connect just to get connections on LinkedIn. I think it should be a relationship. Now, the reason why I put that in there is this now opens the door for you to keep in contact with this person. Most of the people that you're connecting with on LinkedIn hopefully are within your target demographic or your target market that you're going after. That one little blurb is saying to someone, "Hey, I'm going to reach out to you on a regular basis." Now, I'm not going to go into the details on that. I'm going to leave that for another session that I do, where I'm going to show you a process that I use that I automate that will actually do that follow-up for you. Now, when I do that, what I've done is, just in regards to making this work for you, put it in your calendar. I put it in every Friday afternoon at 4 o'clock. I just basically send out new connection email. This is using a Google Calendar. Down below here, there's a description tab. What I do is I take basically this verbiage right here, and I put it in that description tab, so I copy and paste it and use it over and over again. Now, just to give you an example, I use this and I reach out to people that I've connected with, and it opens the door. Some people come back and say, "Hey, I'm looking for this, or I need help with this," right? That may be things that you might not be able to do, but you can actually push them in the right direction or send them in the right area. Other times they come back and they'll say, "I'm struggling with this," and it might be in 100% in what you actually offer or what you do. And you say, "Hey, I can help you with that. If you want to jump on a phone call, that'd be great. And let me walk you through this process." So that's how you do this. I've driven business with this time in and time out. If you're a bookkeeper or an accountant, go to bit.ly/BA_tips to 44222 in the US, 969-5300 in Canada, and that way you'll be asked for your email address, and once you put then what happens is you will start receiving those tips in a weekly email that comes to you. If you want to reach out to me, you can reach out to me at chris.hamilton@entermyinvoice.com, or my phone number is 403-630-1243. Check out entermyinvoice.com. We've got a 30-day trial on our software that helps with the accounts payable side of things into QuickBooks Desktop as of recording this on April 5th, 2018. We'll get more platforms on it in the future. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to me.